Alright guys, let's take a look at the interface of FL Studio. So as you can see, first we have the close, minimize and maximize buttons on the left hand side here. Instead of the usual case in Windows is that these three buttons here are on the right side. But yeah, I'm using Mac for FL Studio for this course, but it's the same thing for Windows or for Mac. So all of these buttons will be on the left hand side. And if you're using Mac OS, your buttons for close, minimize and maximize are always on the left hand side anyway. So this change is only going to affect Windows users. Different buttons on this side that you will open and close all of the time when you're working in FL Studio. So let's take a look at them. I will close this playlist window right now, so just close it like that. This is the mixer, I'm going to close it as well. So here you can see, first button is the playlist. So you open and close it by just clicking the playlist button here. Next one we have is the piano roll. Next one we have is the channel rack, which is this one. Then we have the mixer. And then we have the browser and plugin picker.